Do you want to boost your confidence? I just came here to advise you people. Take it serious. Don't be granted. Don't treat it granted. I'm just here to tell about the activity which boost your confidence more, 10 times more. You have to see it. You have to watch till the end. Do you know what is the ultimate form of confidence? मैं एक एक्टिविटी बताता हूं, उसको आप ट्राई कर लीजिए and it will give 10 times more than your confidence. Right now, go for solo traveling. Why I just advise this? Solo traveling, it will develops a character, develops a behavior, how to treat strangers and how to face situations in your life. It ultimately proven psychologically, and there is a fear in you, just break it. If you have a fear in you, just break it. Don't think about the place you are going. Don't think about the people you are don't think about the people you are you're approaching. Just go with the kind, just go with the just go with the honest. Just approach them with your lovely smile. तुम जितना भी गाड़ी खरीद लो, कार खरीद लो, घर बना लो, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जब बढ़ेगा ना, 10 टाइम्स बेटर. इट ऑल अबाउट गोइंग सोलो ट्रैवलिंग. आप जब सोलो ट्रैवलिंग करते हो ना, तब आपका कॉन्फिडेंस इतना. सो ट्रैवल अलोन विच बिल्ड्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर लाइफ. The more you go alone, the more you visit strange places, the more you gain knowledge, the more you'll be confident. You will be confident about everything. Want to travel again? I just carry two pair of shirts and shirts in this. It doesn't mean that you have to distance from your family while going to a trip. Doesn't mean that you have to distance from your friends while you are joining their trip. I don't mean that. You have to go solo traveling to experience the strange things and to meet strangers in your life, and it builds a character that you cannot pull down by any situation in your life. It will be more useful for you and more interest also. And I traveling with friends, family. The first trip I went with a friend is Tirupati, and I went and I experienced how it feels when you go with a friend, and I experienced with a family how it feels when you go with your family. Just experience it in your life. When you go solo, if you go on solo traveling, you are self-independent and you have to cook yourself, you have to feed yourself, you have to बर्तन धोना पड़ेगा, और आप आपका आपका क्लॉथ्स वॉश करना पड़ेगा, और जितना भी हो आपका सेल्फ मेंटेनेंस के लिए जितना भी हो आप खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ये सब आप कर चुका है ना, ये सब आप कर चुके हैं ना. आप far better than the people who are sitting alone a comfort zone. Really a far better than compared by others, because it develops more confidence in your life to face any situations few people in their life. That few people are more strong minded than the others. Really, I agree with that, because if you can't do this, I'll just ask you a question. Please just answer me. What's your first trip? With a family, with a friend, destination of your first trip, with the family and with the friends. And have you went alone for traveling? Do you done this activity? If yes or no, just comment it down. I'll suggest you. There are unknown places which looks scary, like robberies and scams. It will happen. You have to face it alone. It will happen. It happens in every state. Right now, if I'm talking this in front of this camera, there are someone struggling with some kind of uh, harassment, some kind of accuses in their life. Literally, it takes time, but go for solo traveling. I'm doing it alone. Meantime, traveled. I traveled to Mumbai. I traveled to Delhi, and I traveled to Hyderabad, and I traveled to Kolkata. I traveled these destinations alone, and I want to visit more places in my life alone only. Like I want to visit more places. Like I want to explore more, and it will begin soon. Like it will begin soon, but I'm taking more time to execute it one by one. And I've just completed my workout, and I am here to record this video. And I hope you guys understand this. I'm perfectly. You people are doing good. See you soon. Thanks for watching.